Now, what is the answer for this mathematical expression? Is the answer 35 or 19? So just pause the video and give it a try. Now, we are given 2 exponent 2 plus 8 minus 5 in a parenthesis times 3. Okay, now what we are going to do here is to obey the PEMDAS. So we have PEMDAS. Okay, so this one is a very powerful tool for solving mathematical expressions like this. Okay, so the P stands for parenthesis. So if there is anything involving bracket like this, have to go by it first. Then we have this one as exponent. We have something like this. That is the one with the power. Okay, and we have multiplication, we have division, addition, and then subtraction. Now, multiplication and division, we call them same precedence, and addition and subtraction to same precedence. Now it means multiplication and division at the same time. Okay, we call them same precedence, and if it happens that we have to start from the left, okay, likewise this addition and subtraction, we have to start from the left. Okay, now that everything is set, let's proceed. So we have parentheses here. Okay, 8 minus 5, so 2 squared plus 8 minus 5 is 3 times 3. Now 2 squared is what? 2 squared is 4 plus 3 times 3. So what is next? Multiplication. And this is multiplication. So 339. All right, so 339. So 9 plus, so we have 4 plus 9, which is 13. So the correct answer is 13. So none of the solutions here, none of them is correct. So this one is wrong. So this one is wrong. And this one is wrong. Simple as that. All right, that's that.